Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate through the LCD instrument cluster in the 2022 Kia Telluride. I have in front of me here an SX all-wheel drive in dark moss. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, we're going to use these buttons on the right side of the steering wheel here. There's a button that looks like a sheet of paper, which is the menu button. We have this silver button for up and down, and if we push that in, it's the OK button. So we're going to use those to navigate through the LCD instrument cluster. So right now, at the top of the screen, it's giving us an estimated range on this tank of gas. In the top left, it's giving us what drive mode we're in. In the bottom left, it's the outside temperature. Kind of between the temperature and the P for park is letting us know that our lane keep assist is on, and other safety features will come up there as well. In the bottom middle, it's letting us know what gear we're in, and on the bottom right is your odometer. So right now in the center, we happen to be on the fuel economy screen. If I go ahead and hit that silver button down, it's going to change through the menus up and down. So we have two different trip counters. The accumulated info will never reset unless you press and hold OK to reset that yourself. If I go down one more, it's the drive info. This is just the information from like the last drive or the current drive, and will reset itself for the next drive. Then we have a digital speedometer, and then we have our drive mode screen to let us know what mode we're in and the details of that mode. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit the sheet of paper button or the menu button, and that will take us sideways. So right now there's a digital compass on the screen. If we had a destination in the navigation system, it would then tell us on here when our next turn is in X amount of time and distance. If I hit the sheet of paper button again, now we're on the safety screen. So this is the visual indicator for the lane keep assist screen. If I go down, we have our driver attention warning system. There's also the all-wheel drive screen to let you know where the power is going to each wheel as you drive. And then we have our tire pressure monitoring system that will display the tire pressure in PSI as you're driving. And if one of your wheels gets low, it'll let you know which one so you can top it up. I'm going to hit the menu button once more, and this is going to take you to the user settings screen where you can go through each different option for different sections of the car. And if I hit the menu button again, or the sheet of paper button again, it takes me back to the other screen, and it's entirely up to you what screen you want to keep it on. Personal preference. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please make sure you hit that like button and that you subscribe and select the notification bell to stay up to date with all of our videos. Also, go ahead and give us a follow on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. All of the links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.